Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing this laptop stand. It's metallic construction, comfortable angle, wide compatibility, which is one reason why we got this. So if you are interested, there will be a link in my video description. All right, let's get unboxing and showing you guys how it looks. So it is a very simple design, as you guys can see, but it's got that really cool metallic finish. So let's see if we can show you that. Look at that. That's beautiful. That is beautiful. So this is what you're working with here. So we go ahead and place it like this. So on the back here, it will tell you how to assemble it. It's really basic. There's only 4 steps. So you can go ahead and however you want to place this. If you want to place it underneath like this, you can do that. There's a couple ways you can do it. So you take a screw and on the back side you stick it through, and then you just line up the hole. Take your tool here, so for us we have a bigger fingers, so it's a little tough holding the tool, but we are managing. And now once you get the holes lined up, you just simply twist it. There's a lot of ways you could do it. So before I make it too tight, I'm gonna just make it a little tight, and now we're gonna go and put the other side in. And there is an extra screw. Not sure if mine just came with an extra one or if they all come with an extra screw, but there is an extra screw. And it doesn't look like it goes anywhere. Alright, so that's it. That's all you have to do. And now you can go ahead and put your laptop on here. So while most people will be using this for a laptop stand, I actually am using this for my custom game box that I built. So I can keep it like this and I can mount it like that so it can stay and use. So this is a screen and it's a game box that I built. And as you can see down here, I can turn this and it holds it in place. I almost can go straight up. So if I mount this to this, I can put this at any position I want. Now, of course, like I said, for a laptop, the laptop's gonna work the same way. You can be able to tilt it, do whatever you want in the back. You can put books behind it to tilt it however you want. So many things that you can do. Now, with the laptop, you have a rotating screen, so you won't really have to do that. But something like this, it works perfectly because we can tilt it and it will stay. So, thank you guys for watching. A link will be in the video description if you're interested.